Now it has been 6 months, and today I'm going to show you my YouTube analytics. Actually, I have used several strategies for this channel, and as you can see now, I have after 6 months I have gained 450 subscribers. Actually, which is great because I am getting 1 to 2 subscribers per day. And also I'm going to show you that when we are going to my analytics, as you can see, last month I got 6.6k views and also 220 watch time hours, and also I got the 33 subscribers. Now I am getting around 250 viewers per day, and which is great actually. Views are very stable and I'm seeing a little growth, but if I go to my last 90 days, you will see a huge spike here. I got almost 6,644 views within one day, and it was amazing actually. Why this happened is I posted a video. Actually, it is long, 10 minutes long video, and it went a little bit viral, and then I got these views. But after that I am getting consistent views, and I couldn't actually post daily. My strategy was at the beginning to post daily, but I couldn't post because I had a lot of other things to do, so I couldn't post every day. But already I have posted 110 videos. Most of those videos are very short. I mean, that means they are 2 minutes 3 minutes long videos, and this channel is related to health. And also I should mention that these traffic let's see. Okay, when we go to the content tab, and you'll see still my audience retention is very good, and I think it is very good. And as you can see, these videos are performing very well. And when it comes to audience, I got 555 returning viewers and 41,000 unique viewers. Okay, and most of my traffic from United States, and then the second is India, Philippines, United Kingdom, and Canada, and so on. And these countries are very good except India. And I think I'm getting a valuable traffic for this channel. And alright, when it comes to subscriber count, as you can see, I'm getting around 1.8 percent, and percent subscribed people, and that is quite low. I think it is going to change, because at the beginning it was 0.5, and now it has increased to 1.8. I think it is very good. And when it comes to age and gender, most of the traffic from female, and male also very close to it. And when it comes to ages, and only 1.9% of young boys and girls 18 to 24 years, only 1.9, and 25 to 34 years 13.4, which is great. and 35 to 45 years 14.5, 45 to 54 16%, and 55 to 64 years 22.7%, and 65 plus years 31.6%. So I think this traffic is very valuable. I think for 6 months this is quite enough. I know that it is going to gain more views and more subscribers in the future. I'm not going to stop, and when it comes to monetization, I am reaching to my goal. Already I have 450 subscribers, and as you can see, I am behind 1000 watch time hours. It is only 6 months, and I still have 6 months more to complete these requirements. I think I can do it, because now it is this channel gaining consistent views. As you can see, during last 40 hours I have gained 531 views, which is really nice. So let's see my videos a little bit, and right, here we go. During past 28 days I have gained 741 views from one of my video. It is how to gain weight with diabetes. Actually this is related to diabetes, and the other videos are performing little bit low, but as you can see, they are getting around 50 views per month. Actually I think that is very good, and they will definitely rank in the future. And these videos are in good quality, and most of the people watching, as you can see, the average percentage viewed, they are 52%, 61%, 63%, 73.6%. that is really great. Alright, so I think these videos will definitely perform very well when it comes to 90 days. And I'll show you my top video, and this is my top video. It's talking about foods, and it has got 27,401 views during last 90 days, which is really great. As you can see, that video is long, 10 minutes, and the second video also long, 10 minutes, and the third video is also long, 10 minutes. So that will show you that long videos are getting more views, and I'm hoping to create long form videos, and it's challenging, really challenging. Actually I'm writing my scripts using the available data, which is the hardest part of this journey, and it will take 3 to 4 days actually if I write a decent quality content. That's really difficult. Then I have to convert that content into a voiceover, and then I have to find related videos and footages for that, and it's a big task. However, now I'm enjoying creating these content, and I will show you in my future next video. Next video I will show you how to create these videos one by one, because this video is taking very long. So I think you got an idea about my YouTube analytics, and you can get an idea about my channel, and this is how it is performing. I am not from America. I am from Sri Lanka, which is a very South Asian country. So I could I could get these results after doing a YouTube channel 6 months. So I hope I have a dream, I can fulfill that dream. And you saw that channel, that is one of my channels, and I'm doing an experiment. So I have to show you, I will definitely show you the monetization process, and the things, if you create a health channel, the things you get after that. I mean, average CPM, RPM, the stuff like that. I will definitely explain, and I will definitely do videos about that. Actually, this channel is my personal channel. I don't do this channel for money. Actually, I'm doing this channel to help others. If you look at my channel, I'm doing things related to technical things, and I'm helping others to solve their problems related to internet websites and money making methods. Okay, I think you got something from my channel, and hope you to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.